In the library catalogue, you can request a book if it is already on loan by another user. Search in the catalogue for the book that you want. If you have a specific book in mind, you can search either with the title, the author, the ISBN number, or the call number. You can find more information on carrying out a topic search in our other videos. In the results list, you can already see that the book is on loan. To reserve, click on the book title. From this page, you can see when the book is due back. If you decide that you want to reserve the book, then click Request or Hold. If you are not logged into your library account, you will now be prompted to do so. Your ID card number can be found on your library card or campus card, and your password is your date of birth as 8 figures without dots. On this page, you can select whether you want to be notified when the book is ready for your pickup. This is the confirmation page for the reservation. Here you can see your library number, your name, that you will be notified, and how long the reservation is valid for. I have selected to be notified, which means that once the book is returned and ready for me to pick up, I will receive an email. In this email, I can see my pickup code, which I can also find when looking in my account. I can use this code to find my book on the reservations shelf, which is situated next to the service desk. Once I have found my book, I can borrow this as normal on one of the machines. In your account overview, you can manage the reservations. Once a book is ready to be picked up, you can see it here. From this page, you can see your pickup code once again, as well as learn how long the book will be laid aside for you. If you decide that you no longer need to reserve this book, you can select here and delete the reservation. You can also change your mind about a reservation before it is laid aside for you by clicking here. On this page, you can see the books that you have reserved, as well as your position in the queue and how long the reservation is valid for. If you decide that you no longer need one of these books, once again, select the item and click Delete.